Exactly a year ago today, this channel had its first day breaking 1 hour of watch time, just 60 minutes in a day. But yesterday it hit 25 watch hours in a single day. That's a 25x increase in a year. This channel went from barely 1 hour of watch time in a full day to more than 1 hour every hour throughout the day. To me, that's huge, and it feels great to look back on. But let me be honest, there were so many days when it felt like nothing was happening at all. Look what happens when I zoom in on the timeline. If I'd change the length of this chart to the last 7 days, it looks completely flat. And if I go back 28 days, same thing, looks flat. Here's the kicker. When I'm feeling down, it's because I'm zooming in too close. Progress, whether it's in YouTube or fitness or your finances, can only be seen when you zoom out. It's not about the last week or even the last month. It's about the last year. And in the grand scheme of things, 1 year isn't even that long. The real magic happens 5, 7, even 10 years into your journey. So this is just the start. Today also happens to be the day this channel crossed 4,000 total watch hours. So I can now apply to monetize my videos. If that process is something you want to learn more about, comment it below so I know to make a video about it. But on that note, my reason for making this video is I'm only a little bit ahead of you. If you start today and start improving your videos each time you post, you're only a year away from me, or potentially less. I've had 2 students now who have gotten monetized in less than 1 month after starting to post videos on YouTube. Over the last year, while on this journey, I've watched a lot of big YouTubers give advice on how to grow, and I love it. I love watching their advice. It's great. But it's like asking a billionaire how to invest. It's great advice, but they're so far ahead, they're not in your shoes anymore. They're playing the game at a different level. So what worked best for me? It was learning from people who were at 1,000 to 2,000 subscribers, just a couple of steps ahead. But now I'm looking toward the guy with 2,500 subscribers, and I'm watching him to get inspired and to see how did he get there, because that's where I'm headed next. And with every single video, I try to do something a little bit better than the last one. I'll check in again on September 15th, 2025. Mark your calendar. That's 1 year from today. And let's see if I can grow this channel by 25x again.